Hello my dear student, welcome back. Today we will revise unit 4 and 5. First of all, take out your book, page number 19. On the page number 19 there is a unit 4, health care. What is this? Health care. How we can take care of our health and how we can prevent infection, preventing blisters, prevent cold or flu, stay hydrated, prevent the spread of disease, germs spread. How we can take care in winter season and how we can take care in summer season. I think you have read. Drink plenty of water, eat more fruits and vegetables, drink diluted electrolytes, stay indoors during heat waves, cancel strenuous outdoor activities, dress should be loose fitting. Today we will read all the exercise. A part, what is the cause of infection? Answer is by touching the wounded part and not keeping cleanliness. Next is, when should we shop for shoes and why? We should shop for shoes during the middle of the day because our feet swell throughout the day, then midday. Next is, which vitamin help to prevent cold and flu? Vitamin C helps to prevent cold and flu. D part, why cannot we neglect cold? We cannot neglect cold because it is the beginning of many other disease. Next question is true false. Vitamin D helps to prevent cold and flu. False beta. Already we have read. We must keep a patient's room clean. True. Gloves can be used to prevent blisters. True. And moral of this chapter is prevention is better than cure. But thoroughly you have to read the chapter because fill-ups, one-word answers will come from the chapters. Now see the next. Next is unit 5, leadership quality. Moral of this chapter is action speaks louder than words. In this chapter, we have studied about the leadership qualities. What are the qualities for the leadership? Okay, students, thoroughly you have to read this chapter and see here 10 principles for leaders. You have to learn it properly. Avoid unnecessary criticism and complaints. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Make the companions feel important. Become genuinely interested in other people. Learn to smile wherever possible. Call others by their names. Be a good listener. Encourage others to like about themselves. Talk in terms of other man's interest. Remember that action speaks louder than words. Don't try to intimidate anyone, but have one's own identity. And the exercise of this chapter, question number 1 to 4, question answers. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. A part, write down the names of a few national leaders. I have written 3 names, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Lal Bahadur Shastri. B question, what is the greatest quality of a dynamic leader? The life of dynamic leaders should be based on certain principles. And what are the principles? Already we have read on the previous page. C part, what is the importance of decision making? Importance of decision making is to take quick right decision at a crucial time. D part, explain the relevance of a pleasant appearance. A leader should have a pleasant appearance. It will make others comfortable in his presence. These are the question answers. Question number 2, write true or false. Unnecessary criticism has to be avoided. It is true. A leader should speak one thing and do another. False. A leader must be good listener. This is true. Students, you have to learn this full exercise and chapter also. Thoroughly you have to read the chapter, because question fill ups true false or one word answer, it will come from the chapter. And what is the moral of this chapter? Action speaks louder than words. Beta, both chapters you have to read thoroughly. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.